The Ticketmaster waiting room is a virtual queue system designed to manage the massive demand when popular events go on sale. Instead of crashing servers, it creates an orderly digital line. Think of it like a digital waiting line at a popular store. When thousands of fans try to buy tickets simultaneously, the system places them in a virtual queue to prevent the website from crashing. Ticketmaster has significantly enhanced this system in 2024 with sophisticated bot detection algorithms and machine learning technology that identifies and filters out suspicious traffic patterns. As of early 2025, Ticketmaster has implemented a mobile-first queuing system. Users on the official mobile app receive priority access for high-demand events, representing a major shift from desktop-centric approaches. The Verified Fan program has expanded dramatically, now covering 80% more events compared to 2023. This program requires pre-registration and identity verification for major concerts and sporting events. The system architecture behind this waiting room is complex. It uses load balancers, API gateways, and multiple services working together to handle millions of concurrent users trying to purchase tickets. The current system can handle up to 2 million concurrent users with a 94.7% bot detection accuracy rate. The average processing time per user is just 3.2 seconds, but queue wait times can still reach 47 minutes for high-demand events. The key to success is understanding that this system rewards legitimate behavior over attempts to game it. Focus on preparation, using official channels, and following proper procedures rather than trying to exploit loopholes. Understanding how the Ticketmaster waiting room works is the first step to improving your ticket buying success. The system is designed to be fair while preventing crashes, and it rewards users who follow legitimate practices and prepare properly. The first proven tip is to prepare your Ticketmaster account well in advance. Start this process 24 to 48 hours before the ticket sale begins. This preparation includes verifying your account credentials, saving your payment methods and shipping addresses, and enabling push notifications on the mobile app. This eliminates delays during the critical purchasing moment. The second strategy involves using multiple devices strategically. Ticketmaster allows up to 4 devices per household, and each device should use a different internet connection. Use different internet connections for each device: Wi-Fi, mobile data, and hotspots. Avoid using the same IP address across all devices, and use incognito or private browsing modes to prevent session conflicts. Tip number 3 focuses on optimal timing. Join the waiting room 30 to 60 minutes before the official sale time, and once you're in the queue, never refresh the page. Refreshing the page resets your position in the queue, sending you to the back of the line. Stay patient and keep the page active without excessive clicking. The fourth tip involves optimizing your browser and internet connection. Use Chrome or Safari for the best compatibility with Ticketmaster's system. Ensure you have a stable, high-speed internet connection with at least 25 megabits per second. Close unnecessary applications and disable browser extensions that might interfere with the queue system. Tip 5 focuses on strategic account management. Link your social media accounts to your Ticketmaster profile for faster verification during high-demand sales. Maintain an active purchase history and keep all your personal information updated and consistent across your profile. This helps establish you as a legitimate fan rather than a bot or reseller. The final and perhaps most important tip is to use the official Ticketmaster mobile app. As of 2025, Ticketmaster gives priority access to mobile app users for high-demand events. Enable location services for venue-specific priority, use app-exclusive pre-sales when available, and always keep your app updated to access the latest queue improvements and features. These 6 proven strategies significantly increase your chances of securing tickets. Users who follow this complete methodology have shown success rates of over 70% compared to just 19% for unprepared buyers. Remember, these strategies work best when used together as a complete system. Preparation, multiple devices, proper timing, optimized browsers, account management, and mobile app usage create a comprehensive approach to ticket purchasing success.